Okay, so this is my review on pop-on veneers. For those of you that was skeptical, like I was, to spend money and to order, um, I ordered stuff similar to these off of Amazon, and they were just horrible. They looked like they were for a kid's mouth. Didn't fit, didn't do anything. So, like I said, I was skeptical, but I went ahead, and I'm so glad I went ahead and purchased them because I had a tooth pulled, as you could see recently, and that really just killed my confidence. I deal with customers, and I've been afraid to talk and smile. When I do, I'd try to like put my hand up in front of my face so that they couldn't see the big gap that I have in my mouth, and it's been so hard. And the dentist says I need all this work done to my teeth, and then I can get a partial. And you're talking thousands and thousands of dollars. And I know if anybody's like me, even with dental insurance, it's just too expensive. So I'm glad I went ahead and I gave pop-on veneers a try. The impression kits were super easy to do. I sent my molds back, and no lie, like 2 weeks later, I got my cute little case with a mirror in it. And of course, I got top and bottom. As you can see, they're in there. Really, I only needed the top, but because I got the bottom little crookedness and a gap there, I figured, you know what, I'll just get both arches, and I'm so glad I did. They're super easy. Here's what they look like. They look just like my teeth. They molded them, and then they fit amazingly. So I'm going to show you. As you can see, I have a gap. Gap's gone just by putting the top on. And here's the bottoms. Ta-da! I got a beautiful smile. Now, I've only had mine 2 weeks, so I'm still getting used to mine. The talking will get better as I go along. So I'm working with them there. I have tried to eat with them. I've just chose to not eat with them now because it's kind of hard for me to decipher where to bite down at because they're covering my actual teeth. Not that they can't handle it or anything. I ate a banana with it fine. I just trying to decipher, like I said, where to bite down. But some people eat with them. I'm choosing not to because I can just take them out and eat. I mainly needed these to cover up that missing tooth that I had because I was embarrassed about it. So now I can smile with confidence again. I love it. So yeah, they snap right in place. They stay in place while you talk. I mean, you can see I can do everything with them. I can whistle again with them in. The gap stopped me from doing all that. So I'm super stoked and happy that I actually decided to go through with it and purchase them. I wouldn't change anything. I'm grateful for pop-on veneers. They've given me a confidence back and have saved me thousands of dollars in dentistry work. So give them a try. You will not be upset and disappointed, I promise. I've had my set for about 3 weeks now. Still getting used to them, but they have been a life changer for me. The process was very simple. I had the impression kit sent to me. I did my 3 impressions. They send you back your molds. As you can see, I'm missing my back teeth on the bottom, and I have a missing tooth right there in the front, as you can see. So they send you back the impression out of the 3 that they kept and made your veneers off of. And then they send a cute little case with a mirror, and this keeps your veneers in there. And let me tell you, I'm so happy I went through with this because it's been life-changing. I'm not embarrassed to smile, talk to my customers anymore. You can hear I still got like a little bit of a lisp because I've only had this tooth pulled for about 2 months, and I'm still not able to even talk clearly with missing a tooth. So I really don't sound much different when I put the veneers in, and you'll get used to them. I wear mine every day to work. I can eat and drink with mine. I clean them with the tablets that they gave. They also send you cleaning tablets and then a little scan me so that you can order more when you need them. So it helps because I'm a tea drinker, and it helps take that off. But let me show you. I'm going to put them on. They're easy. They do pop right in. They stay in when you talk, eat, drink. Ta-da! I can smile again. I can talk again. They don't come out. Nothing. So, like I said, I'm a tea and soda drinker, and I've not had any issues with them. I eat relatively soft food. I haven't really tried to eat anything really hard with them, just because I don't want to take a chance. I don't want to break them and have to start the process all over again. Which the good thing about that is you don't have to do the molds over again. They have a digital copy of it. So if I break one, I lose one. All I got to do is have another one sent. I really didn't need both arches, but you know, I'm like, I don't want to look mixed match. So I was like, I'll just get both, and then I'll have perfect teeth all the way around. I mean, I can't complain. It was the best decision I could have made. Thousands of dollars of dental work that I needed, and I'm so happy. This just saved me a lot of money. So if you're thinking about it, don't think anymore. Just do it. Order them. I promise you, you will not regret it. You'll be happy with them, because I am.